In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Interactive Brokers fractional shares. If you've ever wanted to invest a specific dollar amount instead of buying whole shares, this feature makes it simple and flexible. I'll walk you through the flow and explain what each choice means so you can place your trade with confidence. Start by opening the Order Entry or Trade panel in your platform. This is the window where you choose what to buy and how you want the order to execute. Once you're there, select the stock or ETF you want to purchase. Most large, highly traded symbols support fractional shares, but availability can vary by security and region, so don't worry if you notice certain tickers aren't eligible. Next, look for the quantity field. You'll see a small icon or toggle that switches how quantity is entered. It usually gives you a choice between specifying shares, meaning whole or fractional shares directly, or a cash amount in USD. Switch that to USD, so you're telling the system exactly how much money you want to invest. Type in the dollar amount you want, like $100. As soon as you do, the platform will calculate the fractional share quantity based on the current market price. You'll typically see a number with decimals, such as 0.43 shares. Remember, this is an estimate until the order executes, because prices can move between the time you submit and when it fills. If you don't see the USD option in the quantity field, the symbol or your account settings may not support fractional trading. Now choose your order type and time in force. A market order aims to fill immediately at the best available price, which is straightforward but can vary slightly from the last quoted price. A limit order lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay, offering more control, but it may not fill if the market doesn't reach your limit. For time in force, you can typically select Day, which cancels at the end of the trading day if not filled, or Good until canceled to keep it open longer. During regular market hours, fills are usually more predictable, especially for fractional orders. When everything looks right, click Submit and review the confirmation screen. Double-check the symbol, the USD amount, the estimated share quantity, order type, time in force, and any commissions or fees. Confirm the trade to send it. After execution, your fractional position will appear in your portfolio, and you'll see the exact number of shares you now own. That's all there is to investing a precise dollar amount with fractional shares on Interactive Brokers.